You don't have a discipline problem. You have an environment problem. Your brain reacts to what it sees every single day. If your phone is full of temptation, your mind is fighting a battle it was never meant to win. So step 1, clean your environment. Remove what weakens you, because discipline becomes easier when temptation is farther away. Step 2, train your body. Lust grows strongest in a lazy, idle body. When you sit all day doing nothing, your mind starts looking for cheap dopamine. So move, lift weights, run, push yourself until your body feels heavy, because when your body's exhausted, your mind finally becomes quiet. Energy needs direction. Give it 1. Step 3, master your attention. Lust doesn't attack your body first, it attacks your focus. One thought, one image, and suddenly you're gone. So the moment the urge appears, you move, stand up, change rooms, do something, because attention is a muscle, and every time you take control, you become stronger. Step 4, fix your sleep. Late nights destroy strong minds. When you're tired, your willpower drops. You stop thinking clearly, you stop fighting back, and that's when bad habits win. So protect your sleep, like your future depends on it, because it does. Step 5, replace the habit. You can't remove a habit and expect nothing to take its place. An empty mind will always go back to what's easy. So build something, read, work, chase a goal that actually matters. Because if you don't give your life purpose, your mind will choose pleasure instead. Control your mind, or your mind will control you. This isn't just about lust, it's about the man you're becoming.